Hey guys, Dan from Training with Dan here. Hope you guys are all well. So yeah, we spent another day inside this consolidation area, this zone. We had probably some slightly bigger wicks up and down than we've been having recently, showing that this formation may be maturing to a point where we're actually going to get a breakdown. Obviously, volatility has come right down, so obviously lower volatility leads to higher volatility. Yeah, I'm expecting the move soon. Yeah, again here there's a lot of chop on the 10 minute, which I did say I was swapping over to the 15 minute for the bot. So as you can see, we did actually have a trade today, so we took a buy here, but then that was subsequently not stopped out, but we did stop out when we flipped to a sell. So that was it was a yeah, about 1% loss today. So we're still currently sat not in a position at the moment. So yeah, it's looking like we could get the move soon. I mean, we've been getting these bullish wicks down that prices have been bought back up again. So if you look on the higher time frame 30-minute chart, we can see it here, bought back up again here, bought back up again here, bought back up again here. I mean, this is bullish. This is textbook bullish price action. We had the move down when we were getting to around here. I mean, it was looking like a bear flag, but the longer we go on, obviously that invalidates their bear flag formation, and now we just look like we are. Well, it looks like a consolidation, but with a bullish bias based on these wicks. And then if we do look at the overall higher time frames, you can see that we are the higher time frames. You can see that we are actually in still in a bullish formation, still clearly in a bullish formation. Not sure where my other two indicators have gone there. But yeah, so there's not too much to report there. I mean, the more this goes on, it's looking like this is a BART formation, and we are gonna basically come and test back up, maybe go through those highs, consolidate, and then keep going up, stepping our way back up. So yeah, so you see on the 1 hour chart, but it's clear to see the bull wicks here. So yeah, so that is what I'm thinking with Bitcoin. So I am looking for the buys. Yeah, so yeah, whilst I'm here, I mean, I had a pretty bearish discussion yesterday. Some of my longer term fundamental bearish concerns for Bitcoin. But that all being said, I thought I'd kind of balance that up again today with what I actually believe is in my mind the number one bullish prospect for Bitcoin. And then what that is basically the massive recapitalization, liquefaction, basically more dollars, more printed through the repo market into basically that's obviously feeding through to stock markets and just basically an asset bubble in especially US stocks. So this obviously increased liquidity, increased prices. I mean, you can never really call the top of a bubble. I don't think it's not a good idea to try and call the top of the US stock markets. They're just going to keep going up and up and up until they don't. And the one thing I do know is that you should definitely not underestimate how long that can go on for, how long they can sustain these prices. Because I do feel like we've got to the point with the financialization of the world economy that I think we're going to struggle to get past another financial crisis with the financial system as it is intact. So yeah, so I do feel like it has got a lot longer to go, the rally in stocks, and what that will mean. What that will mean is there's a very strong correlation between the stock markets and Bitcoin, especially US stock markets and Bitcoin. So if they keep going up, you can definitely expect strength in Bitcoin, I believe. And it's just that extra liquidity, the extra money that's trying to find somewhere to go, that's pumping bubbles up in every asset class, that I think will then carry on continuing to pump a bubble in Bitcoin above and beyond the high. So everything I did say, obviously, about the bearish case, I mean, I do believe the overwhelming bullish case of just all the dollars that are going to be finding a home are just gonna drive Bitcoin up and up. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Just a quick update today. Obviously we'll have some more detailed updates. I'm actually looking into some other bot platforms as well as free commerce, because I know a few of you guys have noticed, along with myself, that free commerce, whilst it has some headline prices for lower plans, obviously to trade with Bitmex and Bybit you have to have their pro plan, which is quite expensive. So there are some cheaper options out there that I am going to review, have a look at, test out, try out, see how I get on with, and let you guys know. And I have been reliably informed that they are actually better as well as cheaper, so I'd look forward to having a look at those. And yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice. This is purely educational purposes. Yeah, you should do your own research. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Yeah, and investing in anything, especially cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is a very risky venture. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.